Hey, Calculus Grizzlies. It's me. We're on our last two sections. So exciting, so exciting. Then we start review for the AP test. Okay, so grab your 6.4a notes and let's get started. So notice that I have a formula for arc length. If you remember from geometry, the symbol for arc length was actually a lowercase s. Important that you note that it is lowercase. And if I'm integrating with respect to x, of course my a and b are bounds for x. And if I'm integrating with respect to y, my c and d are bounds for y. And notice that I'm taking the first derivative in both cases of my equation. So we're just going to jump right in and do the first example. This is not a difficult lesson. I'm sure it'll go quickly for you. So I'm starting with my formula. Since I notice I have an f of x, I'm going to have to take the first derivative of it so that I can substitute it in. So notice I've rewritten my equation with my first derivative in. I'm going to have to square that now. And notice that I specifically left off the bounds, but if I go back and look at the bounds for x, it goes from -2 to 1. So I'm going to FOIL and check back to see if your work matches mine. I'm so silly because I forgot it said, then use your calculator to evaluate it. So I'm just going to put it into my calculator. Poof! Pause and see if you get the right answer. Did you get it? Did you get it? This is the only example for this lesson. The rest of them we will work on in class.